In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a landing page with WordPress. We'll walk through choosing a theme on WordPress.com and getting it ready for customization so you can quickly turn it into a focused, high-converting landing page. Start by going to WordPress.com. If you're prompted, sign in as you normally would. Once you're on your site dashboard, look to the left sidebar. Find the brush icon. This opens the design area. Click it to reveal the design tools, then choose themes. This is where you control the overall look and feel of your site. Inside the themes area, click all to see the full catalog. This view makes it easier to compare different styles without missing anything. Take a moment to browse for a design you like. As you scroll, pay attention to layouts that feature strong hero sections, clear typography, and simple navigation. Those are great foundations for effective landing pages. If you're keeping costs down, focus on free templates. Many of them are flexible and polished enough for professional results. Keep browsing until something matches your brand's tone. Think about your primary goal: capturing leads, promoting a product, or booking calls, and pick a theme that naturally supports a bold headline, a short description, and a clear call to action button. When you've found a good fit, click the theme to open its details. This gives you a closer look at its style system, color options, and page patterns you can use later. Next, click Activate. WordPress will process the change and apply the theme to your site. Give it a moment to finish setting up. While you wait, remember that activating a theme doesn't overwrite your content. It just switches the presentation. If you decide to try another theme later, you can always come back and repeat these steps. Once everything is ready, you can start customizing. Open the editor and begin with the essentials. Update the headline to clearly describe your offer, refine the subheading to explain the value in a sentence or two, and set a single primary button with action-oriented text. Replace any placeholder images with high-quality visuals that reinforce your message. Adjust colors and fonts to match your brand, but prioritize readability and contrast so your call to action stands out. Streamline the page by removing distracting sections you don't need. Use short paragraphs, scannable headings, and consistent spacing to guide the eye. Save your changes as you go, and preview often to see how the page looks on mobile. And that's it. Choose a theme, activate it, and customize it to build a clean, focused landing page on WordPress.com.